How to create a Spotify account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to install Spotify app on your device. For that, you need to go to your Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to type in search for Spotify. After searching for it, you'll be able to see the app, so you have to install it on your device. After installing, you have to open up the app. Due to the privacy policy of Spotify, some of the portions over here cannot be screen recorded. By opening up the app, you'll be able to see the interface where you have to either log in or sign up to your device. Since we are trying to create an account, you have to go for sign up option. From over there also, you can continue with either Google, Facebook or Apple. Here I am going for continuing with Google. If you are continuing with Google, then you have to select the account with which you want to create an Spotify account. After selecting the account, you have to enter the information like your name, birthday and everything as per the text box asks. And after entering, you have to go for create account option. After entering all the information, you will be able to see this interface where you have to choose 3 or more artists you like. This is compulsory because the Spotify will create a library for you based on the artist you like. For example, if you select the artist like Pritham, then they will collect the song of Pritham and you'll be able to listen the song easily without even searching for them. You can choose 3 or more of the artist over here. After choosing, you have to simply tap on done option in the section. By doing that, your library has been created, so you can start listening, or you can simply tap on not now option. From over here, you can listen to the song that you like or that are your favorites. So by following this simple step, you can create a Spotify account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.